Hey, it's O with CLO Ed TV. Today it's all about multi-tools. Today we'll be doing our review on this beautiful leather showcase mat, and you can find this on clolearnshop.com. If you don't want the specific logo on there, you can customize the logo to your liking. Just visit the website clolearnshop.com. You should see the mat there, and you can pick up yours today. Let's get into the video. So what is a multi-tool exactly? It's basically any tool that serves a multiple array of functions. The ones we're familiar with is of a portable pocket-sized variety. In this video, we're going to find out more information on multi-tools. We're going to learn a brief history all about multi-tools and what they're all about, how they could be useful to you. I got a couple to review on the table, and then I got a couple surprises for you at the end of the video. The multi-tool we know today has its origins in ancient Rome, around 200 to 300 CE. Timothy S. Leatherman is the inventor of the multi-tool, which was incorporated with the pliers. This invention was developed when he found a need as he would tour in a Fiat 600 that would constantly break down. His mechanical background helped him invent a tool that may never have been discovered. So the question would be to ask, how can an engineer use their skills to help solve problems? Engineers go through a process known as the design cycle. It is a series of steps that allow you to invent basic ideas into real tangible products, improving on the design with various iterations, retesting, redesigning, and testing over until the actual design is perfected. Because of his innovation, he was able to develop his company in 1983. So with the invention of the multi-tool, it was engineered to make more than one tool accessible at one time. Instead of going to search for tools or having to carry a full-on tool belt with separate tools, in a pinch if you're out, you could just grab this one tool, which is very small, fits in your pocket, and you could fix a situation or solve a problem just like that in a pinch. So I have a lot of options on the table. I want to start off talking about the first two. And this is a full-length axe and hammer. This particular item is by Sheffield, and what it is it's a multi-tool that allows you to have a fuller experience as far as having a full-length axe, but with additional tools on it. And as you can see here, I just pulled out a saw, and there are several multi-tools on this one. The axe has a hex tool on here where you can loosen hex nuts. So this is the option that they went with instead of the actual pliers on this particular multi-tool. I'll be sure to leave a close-up of these particular tools. Here's the hammer version by Sheffield. On here it has actually a spring-assisted pliers, and as you can see, once I squeeze it automatically springs it back. This one also has a knife, can opener, and many other tools. This, once you clamp it down and put the hook back, is a full-on hammer, and also it has the claws just in case you have to pull nails as well. Now some multi-tools will come in a smaller package, and here I have one that is probably a fifth of the size of my hand. And when you open it up, it becomes a full set of pliers, also spring assisted here. This uses a coil spring. You have your wire cutters in the center and two types of pliers, your regular plier and also your flat plier. And when you look on the side of each arm, you can pull out more tools. So this even has a saw, as you can see right here, and it also has a bottle opener with the flat head there. On the other side, it even has a file, as you can see here, and a full-on knife. The next tool I want to talk about is your foldable flatware. And what this one does is the fork and the spoon are the locking mechanism for the tool. And the only thing you got to do, fold out the spoon, fold out the fork, and now there are two separate utensils. So when you're eating, you can also use your fork and your spoon for what you need. On each utensil, there's additional tools. So if you open this up, you have the cork, bottle opener. Then over here you have your bottle and can opener. On the spoon side, you have a full knife. And when you open this up, now as far as the folding flatware, to reassemble it, all you do is line up the little holes on the inside, just like this. Make sure all the other tools are collapsed, including the knife. And then now what you can do, the spoon and the fork are the locking mechanisms. So you make sure you fold it down. Now the spoon locks one side, you can flip it around, and the fork locks the other. Now, this is the Ozark Trail 12-in-1 multi-tool. With this particular tool, this is a very great value. You get 12 tools in one, and it's only a little over $5. So that means if you ever want to get into multi-tools, this is an economical, affordable way to do it. All right, just like the other tools, they fold up into a compact size. This also comes with a sheath that you can slide in and pull the tool out. Also, when you're opening it up, they have tools within the arm. So here's a full-on file. You also have a saw. In the smaller ones, you have two flat heads, and they're both awls. And then one here, you have the can opener, bottle opener, knife right here, knife blade, and also your Phillips head. Just like you can get the multi-tools for $5, they also have multi-tools that are on the higher end. Now, this is an example of a higher end multi-tool. This is the SOG Sync II. Now, they have two versions, the Sync I and the Sync II. With the Sync I, it's just a little smaller with the same features. This particular multi-tool acts as a belt buckle, and you can clip it as a regular one. So right now I have it configured as a regular multi-tool. You just press the button in the center, which releases the tool. You can leave this part clipped onto your belt loop or in your pocket. And here is the tool. With the SOG Sync II, it becomes just like the other ones, a full-on set of pliers. Although this one is not spring assisted. You have a crimper and wire cutters here. You have your pliers. Also, this set has a ruler built in, a 7-inch ruler at the bottom, just like here. And also, this particular model has scissors built in. So I've used these scissors before, and these scissors actually work very well. You can actually cut any items that you need to cut, such as string or anything like paper. This will cut it and cut it well. Once you're done, you can just fold the tool back up just like this, and then take the locking mechanism, slide it right back on, and then you're ready to go. So if you love the beautiful backdrop behind me, this is a UV 3D printed stainless steel 3-dimensional ink print. This was printed at the Direct Color Systems booth at the GPX Expo. This is a 2x4 stainless steel sheet that had UV 3-dimensional printed ink on top of it. I was able to see this technology up close. If you would like to win your own version of this dragon behind me, go to the link below. There should be a survey. You have to be subscribed to the channel, also to share this YouTube channel with a friend. Once you fill out the survey, you'll be in a raffle once 150 subscribers is reached to receive your very own UV 3D printed steel artwork. This technology is amazing. I'll make sure to leave clips so you can see the actual 3-dimensionality of the ink here. It actually is up off of the substrate. If you want to enter the contest to win this free artworks, be sure to fill out the survey at the bottom below. You must be subscribed to the channel, and you also must share this channel with a friend in order to be eligible. Once I reach 150 subscribers, I will do a raffle for this particular artwork, and it will be shipped out. If you would like to pick up this beautiful display mat that I used in today's video, go to CLOLearnShop.com. There you'll be able to pick up one of these, or you can customize it with your own logo. So just go to CLOLearnShop.com. You'll see the link for this particular mat in there, and all you got to do is put it in your cart and check out. I'll be sure to leave a link in the comment section below for all the tools that I displayed today. Hopefully you enjoyed the history lesson on the multi-tool, and the information that you learned, share it with a friend. If you enjoy the information in this video, please subscribe, share with a friend, and also like the video. This all helps the channel to grow, and hopefully I'll be able to bring out more videos on engineering and product reviews just like this one. Next week, we're going to learn how to make storage solution around things you'll find around your house. Also, we're going to tie a little 3D printing into it. But all in all, we're going to upcycle, recycle, and make some really attractive organization that you can't even find in the store. So be sure to check out the channel next week for those up and coming videos. Listen guys, I encourage you to do your own research. Get out there, make something, invent something. Make sure you have fun today, and look, enjoy your day.